In this video, we'll go over what it means to systematically test and refine a program using a simple dance party program as an example. Systematic most often describes something that is done according to a system or method. When systematically testing a program, this describes the steps taken to determine 1, what is the program supposed to do, and 2, what could go wrong. In the context of programming, refining often refers to improving a program by making small incremental changes. To systematically test and refine our dance party program, we need to run the program, ask yourself, does it work? Then ask, does it work how you intended? Then make a small change to improve the program. Once you make the change, repeat steps 1 through 4 again until you're satisfied with your program. Once the program works as intended, you can finalize your program or move on to the next phase. In the real world, all programs must meet a certain set of requirements that are often determined by a client or a company. In the case of creating your dance party, the requirements are determined by you. You get to decide which dancers you want to use, how many dancers, what size they'll appear, what song to use, which background to display, and so on. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a simple dance party and make a few incremental improvements using systematic testing and refining. So to get started, I'll first run the program. Did it work? Yes, it ran without error. Did it work how I intended? Sort of, but it could be improved. I'd actually like for the cat and unicorn to do the same dance in coordination. So I'll change the cat's dance to next and the unicorn's dance to next so that they're in sync. Now I'll run the program again. Okay, does it work? Yes. Does it work as intended? Yes, but I'd also like to make the sharks appear a bit larger. So I'll set the size to 50. And I'll run the program again. Okay, I stopped the program because we can see that it's not working as intended. It changed all the dancer sizes to be 50 instead of just the shark, so I must have made a mistake. So now I'll go back to my program and set just the shark size to 50. And then I'll run my program again. Okay, that's better. But I still feel like something is missing in the center. So I think I'll add a new dancer. This time I'll add the frog and make it appear in the center. And I'll run my program again. Okay, it works, but my dancer isn't doing much. So I'll need to select a dance for it to do. I'll change my dancer to frog, and I'll make it do previous instead of next so that it does a different dance than the other two dancers. And then I'll run my program again. Okay, this is great. Just one final touch. I'd like to make the frog appear bigger than the other dancers, so I'll set its size to 200. Okay, that's way too big. Let's try that again, and this time I'll set the size to 125. Okay, that's much better. So I'll run through the process one more time. First, I'll run the program. Does it work? Yes. Does it work as intended? Yes. So now that we've achieved our desired results and met the specified program requirements, which were determined by us, we can finalize the program or move on to the next phase.